Now we will do a quick revision of tenses. I have made a very simple tabular representation to revise the tenses quickly. These are the rules and these are the examples. Let's pull up the present tense first. For simple present tense, the rules are the base form of the verb with S and ES. And the example is, he takes milk every morning. Takes is the verb with the S and ES form. Moving on to present perfect tense, the rules are has or have plus third form of the verb. He has just gone out. Gone is the third form of go and has is the condition implied. Moving on, next is a present continuous tense. The rules are is, are, am plus ing, and the example is, she is playing in the park. Next is present perfect continuous tense. The rules used are has, have, been plus ing form of the verb, and the examples we have, they have been playing since 4 o'clock. Now moving on to past tense. For simple past tense, the rules are simple, the third form of the verb. For example, I received a letter a week ago. Received is the third form of receive. Then past perfect tense. Rules are had plus third form of the verb. For example, when I reached the station, the train had started. Next is past continuous tense. The rules imply was, were plus ing form of the verb. We were listening to the music. He was dancing in the rain. Next is past perfect continuous tense. The rules we use are had, been plus ing form of the verb, and the example here is, his parents had been waiting for him since 2 o'clock. So here let's see at the rules and the examples. All the conditions are fulfilled in the examples, hereby making it easier for you to understand. Now we have the future tense. Simple future tense. For simple future tense, the sentences will just have shall or will. For example, I shall see him tomorrow. But yes, we need to understand, for simple future tense, we need to have words which show us an action that will take place in future. For example, words like tomorrow, the next day, the day after. Now we have future perfect tense. The rules are shall, will, the third form of the verb, and the example is, I shall have written the exercise by that time. For future continuous tense, the rules are shall, will, be plus ing form of the verb. When I get home, my children will be playing. For future perfect continuous tense, the rules are will, have, been plus ing form of the verb. He will have been studying at Oxford for 4 years now.